Here's a neat piece of that large Saint Lazare layout, modular layout. Looks like a brewery kit, NHO, on fire. And they got all kinds of fire trucks with flashing lights. And here you got this really nice backdrop. Looks like the Spadina Roundhouse in Toronto. And it's basically got this RS3 and a bunch of reefers, some older boxcars. It looks like a disco or something going on in there. Really like the photorealistic backdrop. That's nice. It's a nice touch. That's the Guinness building. So it's a Guinness brewery. And here's another complex. Very neat. Very well done.